I try to encourage, even if I've got at the moment like the class of non-Welsh speakers, saying good morning, good afternoon, goodbye in Welsh, and encouraging them to use the Welsh language, especially with the area we're in, because we work with client sessions, so it's to be sort of all-encompassing if we have Welsh speakers coming in for treatments. And especially if we do have Welsh-speaking students in the class, to encourage them to speak Welsh during the sessions as well, if they wish to be taught through the medium of Welsh.